Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Ini saya akan buat projek yang ketiga, mana test 3 kita akan using Python Flash. Di sini kita akan try to create a environment and we're going to activate and we're going to install a Flash and also PY Mongo modules. And in this we're going to import the GPIOMs DB that we already do in our test 2, and we're going to do four method, which is we're going to use get, post, put, patch and delete. Basically we're going to use these four method by using the tanda client attention. So basically, the first part is we're going to the command prompt. In here, I'm going to show you. The first part is basically you need to open your main file lah. And after that, you open your main file. Basically, you're going to mix a new file, which is just this type of thing. But in the end, you just need to put your name files or whatever you want to put. After that, if you type pip list, basically in here, you can see that we already have many modules in our laptops. Even we already have installed the Flash and also PyMongo. But when we try to after that we make a new one. Basically, we're going to type this word script and also active. So basically we're going to enter in this part of the thing. So basically dah lepas masuk ke sini, kita akan install dua benda. So macam kat sini kita nampak, kalau kita type pip list, kita akan nampak pip saja. So we're just going to see the pip only lah. After this, we're just going to type pip install pymongo, and it's going to install and successfully install. And also we're going to install pip flash. And after that, if you type pip list in the Vance main, which is basically your file, you're going to see only this part of thing, only this part of the folders inside this folder, but not this many one lah. Basically dia specifickan lah mana yang kita nak. So after that, we just click the flash run debugs. And after we type the flash run debugs, basically the debugs one is we just don't want to basically do the same thing every single time we change the codes, right? So basically just put the debugs for the easy modes lah. So on this part, basically we get the links, and in this part you can copy it, and after you copy it, you go to Google and you're going to paste it. And right now it's not found because you not do anything in the VS Code, right? So basically in this part we're going to do a new apps. You're just going to type the app.py lah. In the app.py, you go to the flash, go to the quick start, and after that you click the minimal application. So in the in minimal application, you see this code, you're just going to copy it, and in the VS Code you're just going to paste it lah. So after that, just try to run it, and if you see no error, then it's good lah. So basically you go to the website and you just refresh it, and you see the hello world comments. So basically it's worked perfectly, yeah. So in our own test, we basically need to do four methods. Basically the same part of the GPL DB, right? So we need to apply the things that we already do in the test 2 inside in the app.py, basically in the new test So in the new test, if you see this code, So basically this is the code for our test 3. So our for test 3, just copy for this part. Basically this part is for get method. So in this part of the get method, we're going to see the read all GPIO, right? So basically if we put this and we try to run it, but first, okay, let's paste it. Okay, let's try to fix it. Okay, so that's it. Okay, so in this part, you need going to have a Thunder client. So basically, just like I'm saying, you need to have a Thunder client. Basically, you need to install it in the extension part, and you're going to enable it. So after that, you're going to have the Thunder clients. Basically, just make a new request. So for a new request, for this part, basically you need this URL and paste it. And for this part, basically you already have it. So basically you just need to run the Python file, and yeah, no, nothing's wrong. So basically the file is quite good. So go to get. So basically you just already put the gets method lah. So if you run it, basically you're going to get all the, oh no, I forgot, this part you need to copy this another URL. You need to put it inside the new request. uh, After that, if you send it, you're going to receive all the information of the database from the MongoDB. So if you have 5 data, so basically it's just going to show all the 5 data, 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so I divide. So for another course, basically we want to have only one things. So we just want a specific things. For example, let's see. Okay. So in here, okay. So in here, if we run it, okay, no error. And you need to put the ID, which basically put here. And if you choose like for example 1, so you're just going to show the ID 1. But if you put like 5, so you're just going to show only 5, only the ID 5. So that's it. So if you put all, it's not going to show anything, because you need to have like another numbers for the ID. So that is for the get method. And for the next one, basically we're going to use a post method. So basically for the post method, we're going to post a new database, a new ID. So in the new ID, basically just like, okay, just like that. So in this part, if you run it, run the Python file, no error. So it's good. And you need to put the method in the post. And after that, and also you need to have like a certain part of thing lah. So for example, like forget lah, okay, forget, what is it, okay lah, go to PM lah. So for this for example, just need to copy this and put this, but oh my god, okay lah, just need to do lah. Okay, so for example, we need to have like what, GPIO, so what number, for example, we going to have 999. Okay, after that we're going to have like, what is it, oh, state. or basically name instead lah. So name, and also for example LED 999. Okay, and also this one, what is it? What is it? Oh, name. So basically this is, oh, so for this part I just state, we're going to put this on one, one. So okay, forgot post. So this show that we already post a new data. So basically if you go to the pure Mongo, basically you already have 6. So where is it? Okay, this one. So we already post a new database lah. So after that we want to put and patch, which basically we're going to edit the database lah. So for example we're going to put input. So we're going to put at what new database we already have, ID8. So in ID8 basically for example like we're going to change this to 888, GPIE 8, 8, state maybe might be 0 lah. So for that, but this part need to have a little bit change because we want to have a specific part that we want to change it. So for this I'm going to copy this, and for this part basically what we want to update is this part. So in this part basically okay, this one is basically wrong. So in this part basically what you want to update is basically for right now we just going to update state, right? So let's try to see, run the file, and we're going to update this part 8. Okay, okay, terbaik berjaya, which is we already do lah. So we put it in the state what, 1, right? So basically if we go back to this part, it's going to be object basically because it's 0 what. I mean like because we already do the double part. Basically if you want to change the state, just put the state lah. Okay, so right now because this ada GPIO. Okay, so for example we want to change everything, right? Because we need to change a little bit. For example like not only ID, okay, so that's it. And the last one basically we're going to delete the database. So for the database we're going to use method delete. So for the method delete basically in this part all you need to do is go to the, okay, you need to run it first. Okay, so defaults. So for the method delete, basically you just need to put in deletes. So what part you want to delete? Okay, so for example we want to delete the ID 8. So basically if we go to the MongoDB, we already see that ID 8 is already missing, already delete lah. So basically that means the database and the Thunder client work very well. And also for this website basically because we use in the Thunder site, so basically this website not show anything because we not post in this part. Maybe if you want to know it, for example this one, right? We copied it. If we paste it, I think it's going to show something, right? Because we not do anything. Okay, for example, we go to get that code. Okay, so it's price show up. Okay, so in the website also, if we put the specific links, basically it's going to show that what we want to write. So that's it. Okay, so that's for test 3. Okay, thank you for watching.